Good afternoon, dear students. In this class, we are going to talk about the verb to be, its definition, how it is used, conjugations, examples of sentences in the affirmative, negative, and interrogative, and to develop some exercises. Pay close attention. The first, the verb to be. Definition. The verb to be is one of the most chameleonic in English, so in many cases its meaning depends on the context in which you find it. However, their main meanings are as follows. Sir, he is smart. Él es inteligente. Estar. It is cold today. Hoy está haciendo frío. Haber. Is there anybody inside? ¿Hay alguien adentro? Poder, permiso. Tell her she is not to open the door to strangers. Dile que no puede abrirle la puerta a extraños. Usos principales del verbo to be. Once we know is the best knowing meanings, we can know the most common uses of this term. Verb it is used to mention an action or a state of the subject at any time. I am Mexican, soy mexicano. I was a doctor, yo era doctor. Auxiliar verb. It is used in the company of the other verbs to imply that actions or state are developed in the moment. The conjugations ing is used for this. I am still working. Todavía estoy trabajando. Conjugations of the verb to be. In past present simple. Affirmative. I am. You are. He, she, it is. We are. You are. They are. Negative. I am not. You are not. He, she, it is not. We are not, you are not, they are not. Pregunta. Question. Am I, are you, is he, she, it, are we, are you, are they. To be verbs affirmative. Past tense plural. We, they, you, must, and at were. Examples. We were excited for the party. They were in a hurry. You were amazing last night. Present singular. He is, she is, it is, I am. In short form, he is, she is, it's, I am. Examples. My sister is a nurse. He is a member of the tennis club. It's a good idea. Present plural. We are, they are, you are. Where, they are, they. In short form, where, they, you're. We're excited to see you. They're inside the room now. You're late today. Past tense singular. He, she, it, I, at was. He was in a hurry. She was late or off school. It was a nice movie. I was absent yesterday. To be verbs negative. Pay attention, students. Present form singular. He's not, he isn't. He isn't inside the room. She's not, she isn't. She isn't ready for the exam. It is not, it isn't. It isn't that important. Present form plural. We are not, we aren't. We aren't ready for school yet. They are not, they aren't interested to see the movie. You singular plural. You are not, you aren't. You aren't glad to see me. Past form singular. He wasn't, he wasn't around yesterday. Past form plural. We weren't. We weren't sad to hear the news. They weren't interested to see you. You weren't asked to come here. Past form singular. He wasn't around yesterday. She wasn't happy about the news. It wasn't what expected. I wasn't amazed with the movie. In the next diapositive, you see how do we use the verb to be interrogative. The verb to be in the present as an auxiliary performs its interrogative form, exchanging its position for that of the subject. Am, is, are, must, subject. When it comes to object or subject questions, we will simply add the interrogative particle before the auxiliary. Interrogative particle must, am, is, are, must, subject. Example sentence. Who is she? Is she your wife? But are you married? ¿Quién es ella? Eres tu mujer, pero ¿estás casado? ¿Es ella tu esposa, pero estás casado? It's good to see you here, John. So how are you? Me alegro de verte aquí, Juan. Así que, ¿cómo estás? Am I late? Yes, you are, because it is 9:15. Llegó tarde, sí, porque son las 9:15. Is there a car outside? Hay un coche fuera. Finally, exercise of the verb to be. Fill in the gaps according to the correct form of the verb to be. The weather, space, very warm today. You, space, not American. The children, space, busy in their project for the science fair. These books, space, very interesting. She, space, in the library. That lady, space, to one who bought out old house. For other exercise is exercise of speaking. Answer the following questions after reading them aloud. What is your name? How old are you? Where are you from? What is your job? Are you married? What is your favorite color? Solution in two exercise for the qualification and in the evaluation of the topic in this topic. Thank you. Very good luck. Bye bye.